on. Here I'm going to show you how to grade using a rubric within Canvas. So what I've done here is I have my rubric. What I'm going to do is double check if I want this to actually be the grade. You need to make sure that you have checked this use rubric for assignment grading. You can also though just choose to use the rubric for feedback without a grade tied to it. So I come over here, I've got my rubric, and I'm going to SpeedGrader. So in here I only have one student, test student, but for you, you will have several students. You can cycle through them by clicking on this drop box, or just click the arrows to go to the next student. So here I've got my rubric. So you click on that View Rubric button. You'll notice the rubric's kind of big, so I'm going to expand the screen to split the two. So you just look for these little dots over here, and that will let you drag the screen one way or another. And you can go through and do this in one of two ways. So if you want to just put in the specific points, you can come over here and you can put in the specific points. You'll notice it'll then turn it green. But I could also come over here and just click on it. So that makes it really easy. I can go through, click on each one. I can also go through and add comments to any of them. You'll notice there's a little text box underneath. You write your comment, and then you go through and save. You'll also notice that this will add up the score for you. So with the couple clicks on each category within the rubric, it adds up all of the points. No more you having to add it up and double check it to make sure that you added correctly. It does all of that for you. Then you just save. If you add extra comments, you need to press submit down here, but otherwise that's already been submitted and you don't have to worry about that. You can tell because when you click on test student, you now have a check mark instead of that orange circle.